We're happy you're back on our channel, where we offer wise counsel to support your success in business. Whether you're an ambitious business owner or you've just started on your route, we have something special for you today. We'll be sharing the top 10 business tips for beginners. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Researching your business and industry before launching. Your pre-launch study will determine whether your company is successful. You need to have a firm understanding of your industry, your target market, and your rivals if you want to create a successful business. By doing your research and preparing before you launch your business, you can end up saving time and money in the long run. Number 2. Researching your industry. Research is necessary to comprehend how your industry functions and how you fit within it. Making a successful business strategy may be facilitated by having a solid understanding of market trends and customer preferences. Knowing the market will also help you identify potential competitors and expansion prospects. Start by researching trade shows, websites, industry magazines, and other information sources. Knowing the market will make it simpler to make informed decisions about marketing, pricing, and product development. You can use industry research as well to gain a competitive edge. Number 3. Researching your target market. You must first comprehend your target market in order to develop the greatest product or service for them. This inquiry should take into account their needs, objectives, and interests. You may create products or services that are sure to appeal to your target market and create effective marketing campaigns by conducting market research. To find out more about your target market, you can conduct market research using surveys, focus groups, interviews, and other methods. With the help of this research, you can create a detailed client persona that will enable you to tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings to their needs. Number 4. Researching your competition. Researching your competition is necessary to comprehend how your business will fit in the market. Knowing how the competition markets themselves, what services or products they offer, and how much they charge for those services or items will help you decide how to stand out from the crowd. Participate in trade shows, read industry publications, visit your rivals' websites and social media profiles, and conduct competition research. By taking the time to know their products and services, marketing strategies, and pricing, you may gain a competitive edge. Number 5. Utilizing online and offline marketing tactics. After you have a clear understanding of your industry, target market, and competition, you can begin developing your marketing plan. When you use both offline and online marketing techniques, you may be able to reach a wider audience. Online marketing techniques including search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, and social networking can help you connect with potential customers. Through offline methods like print advertising, direct mail, radio advertising, and television advertising, you can reach potential customers in your local market. Number 6. Connecting with mentors, colleagues, and peers. Developing relationships with mentors, peers, and employees may be very advantageous for your business. It's essential to broaden your network so you can receive recommendations, feedback, and direction. Developing relationships with mentors may give you access to resources that will both assist you and your business grow. Number 7. Creating a detailed business plan. A carefully considered business strategy is necessary for a successful firm. A business plan should contain details about your organization, the market, your competitors, financial projections, and a marketing strategy. Your business plan should contain comprehensive details about your products or services, prices, target market, and marketing tactics. By creating a business strategy, you may maintain organization and dedication to your organization's goals. It might also help you get funding from investors or lenders. Number 8. Keeping detailed financial records. Any business that wants to succeed must keep meticulous financial records. If you keep track of your income and expenses, you may be better able to assess the financial health of your business and make decisions. Financial records should contain information on all of the following: assets, liabilities, cash flow, income, and expenses. By keeping thorough records, you may better understand your business performance and identify areas that could use improvement. Number 9. Break-even point. The break-even point is the revenue level at which manufacturing costs are equal to revenue. It is the point at which a business makes no gains or losses. The precise calculation of the break-even point is essential to estimating the likelihood of success for any venture. To calculate the break-even threshold, one must first determine the fixed and variable costs associated with producing a good or service. Expenses that remain the same regardless of how much product or service is produced include rent, insurance, and payroll. Variable costs are expenses like materials and labor that change according to how much of a good or service is produced. After computing these costs, the break-even point is calculated by dividing the total fixed costs by the difference between the sales price and the variable cost per unit. Number 10. Pricing policy. A pricing policy is a set of rules and principles that decide how much products and services should cost. Businesses must have pricing strategies in place if they want to stay profitable and competitive in their particular marketplaces. A strong pricing policy should be adapted to the specific goals and objectives of the business and should give the company clear instructions on how to set the price for its goods and services. Cost-plus pricing is the most used pricing strategy. With this tactic, the price is set using the cost of